Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's a little bit different. I'm going to show you the formula I use for mixing gas for my snowmobile. So I got my 5-gallon gas can here filled up with 90 octane gas. I'm going to put 4 ounces of octane boost in, and I always get the full synthetic oil directly from the dealership. I have a Polaris, so I go with the Polaris full synthetic 2-cycle engine oil, and I'll put 5 ounces of that in for every 5 gallons of gas. So 5 gallons of the highest octane gas I can buy, which normally is about 90, 91, 92. 4 ounces of octane boost, and I only use AMSOIL octane boost. And then 5 ounces of full synthetic oil from the dealership. Normally I like to put the octane boost and the oil in the gas can while it's still empty, and then that way as I'm putting the gas in it mixes it up automatically. But unfortunately this time I didn't do that, so I'm going to have to do it after the fact. It makes it a little bit more work to mix up the 5 gallons of gas, make sure it's thoroughly mixed in, but that's what I got to do this time around. So that's all there is to it, and that's how I run my mixed gas in my snow machine. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the channel a lot and gets my videos out to other people who may like this type of content. Thank you very much and have a good day.